How to invest on Wealthsimple. Embarking on your investment journey with Wealthsimple in 2025 is a prudent choice, given its user-friendly platform and diverse financial services. This video provides an in-depth look at Wealthsimple's offerings, account setup process, investment strategies, fee structures, and additional features to help you make informed decisions. Understanding Wealthsimple's offerings. Wealthsimple provides an all-encompassing suite of financial services designed for every kind of investor. Whether you're a hands-off investor who dreams of sipping coffee while someone else handles the hard stuff, or a DIY stock enthusiast who enjoys diving into financial charts, Wealthsimple has got you covered. Its flagship services include Wealthsimple Invest. This is Wealthsimple's robo-advisory platform. What does that mean? Essentially, you get an AI-powered portfolio manager that uses algorithms to select and manage a diversified portfolio of exchange-traded funds. Wealthsimple Invest takes the guesswork out of investing, ensuring your portfolio aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. It's perfect for busy professionals or beginners who want a straightforward approach. Think of it as the autopilot mode of investing, calm, collected, and always working for you. Wealthsimple Trade. Prefer to call the shots yourself? Wealthsimple Trade allows you to buy and sell individual stocks and ETFs on Canadian and US exchanges without paying a dime in commissions. Unlike traditional brokers that charge hefty fees for every trade, Wealthsimple lets you trade freely. It's also one of the few platforms in Canada offering fractional shares, so you can own a piece of Amazon or Tesla without emptying your wallet. Wealthsimple Crypto. If you've ever thought, should I get into Bitcoin or Ethereum? This feature might be for you. Wealthsimple Crypto lets you trade over 50 digital currencies with zero commissions. It's Canada's first regulated crypto trading platform, providing the confidence that your crypto journey is as secure as possible. Wealthsimple ensures that whether you're dabbling in stocks, ETFs, or cryptocurrency, there's a tailored solution to match your investment style. Setting up your Wealthsimple account. Setting up a Wealthsimple account is as easy as brewing your morning coffee. All it takes is a few steps, and you're on your way to becoming a bona fide investor. Start by visiting their sleek, modern website or downloading the intuitive mobile app. With a few clicks, you'll enter your email address and create a password. But don't let the simplicity fool you. This is the first step toward transforming your financial future. After signing up, you'll select the service that fits your needs. Not sure what's best for you? Wealthsimple provides quizzes and resources to help you determine whether you're a set-it-and-forget-it type or a hands-on trader. For the bold adventurer intrigued by the crypto buzz, their crypto platform might be your gateway. Once you've picked your service, it's time to verify your identity. This involves sharing details like your name, address, employment status, and social insurance number. Worried about security? Don't be. Wealthsimple is regulated by the Investment Industry Regulatory Organization of Canada, so your data is safeguarded with state-of-the-art encryption. Finally, you'll fund your account by linking your bank. With no minimum deposit required, you can start with as much or as little as you want. Whether you're putting in $20 or $20,000, the platform adapts to your pace. Choosing your investment strategy. Choosing the right strategy can feel overwhelming, but Wealthsimple makes it accessible and stress-free. With Wealthsimple Invest, you'll fill out a simple questionnaire that determines your risk tolerance and financial goals. Are you a cautious saver who prefers steady, predictable growth? Or are you a bold risk taker aiming for high rewards? Based on your answers, Wealthsimple curates a portfolio of ETFs diversified across stocks, bonds, and other assets. This diversification minimizes risk while maximizing growth potential. If you're someone with specific values, Wealthsimple offers socially responsible investing portfolios. These portfolios prioritize companies that focus on renewable energy, ethical labor practices, and sustainability. For instance, you'll avoid fossil fuel giants and invest in green tech pioneers. It's a win-win. Grow your wealth while supporting causes you care about. For individuals following Islamic finance principles, Wealthsimple's halal investing is a standout feature. This portfolio avoids industries like gambling, alcohol, and tobacco, aligning with Sharia law. And if you're still unsure, their team of financial experts is just a chat away, ready to provide guidance, monitoring and adjusting your portfolio. Once your portfolio is up and running, Wealthsimple ensures it stays on track. They offer automatic rebalancing, a process where your portfolio is adjusted periodically to maintain its ideal allocation. Let's say one part of your portfolio grows faster than others. Wealthsimple will shift assets around to keep everything balanced. It's like tidying up your room before it turns into chaos. Dividends earned from your investments are automatically reinvested. This means every dollar you earn is put back to work, compounding over time. Imagine planting a tree, and every branch grows a new tree eventually. You'll have an entire forest. Wealthsimple's platform also includes powerful tools for tracking your investments. From detailed performance reports to insights on market trends, you'll always be in the know. And if you're curious about how your portfolio aligns with your goals, you can schedule a check-in with their financial advisors. Understanding fees and account types, Wealthsimple has built its reputation on transparency, offering some of the most competitive fees in the industry. With Wealthsimple Invest, you'll pay an annual management fee of 0.5% for accounts under $100,000 and 0.4% for accounts over that amount. These fees cover portfolio management, rebalancing, and dividend reinvestment. Additionally, the ETFs in your portfolio come with management expense ratios averaging around 0.2%, which is significantly lower than the 1 to 2% fees often charged by traditional advisors. When you compare these numbers, Wealthsimple feels like a budget-friendly path to professional-level investment management. For those using Wealthsimple Trade, the highlight is commission-free trading for Canadian stocks and ETFs, a rarity in the investment world. While U.S. trades come with a 1.5% currency conversion fee, this still keeps costs far below the industry average. And the perks don't stop there. No monthly fees, no inactivity fees, and no account minimums. Whether you're starting small or going big, Wealthsimple ensures you keep more of your money working for you. Wealthsimple also supports a variety of account types to suit your financial goals. For long-term savers, tax-free savings accounts and registered retirement savings plans offer significant tax advantages that can help your investments grow faster. Leveraging Wealthsimple's additional features. Beyond the core investing services, Wealthsimple provides an impressive array of additional features designed to simplify your financial life. Let's start with Wealthsimple Cash, a hybrid savings and checking account that offers the best of both worlds. With zero fees and a competitive interest rate, it's an excellent choice for storing your emergency fund, budgeting for upcoming expenses, or simply earning a little extra on your cash. Imagine your money working for you even while it's just sitting there. Talk about efficiency. When tax season rolls around, Wealthsimple Tax comes to the rescue. This free and user-friendly platform takes the stress out of filing taxes. For the curious minds eager to expand their financial knowledge, Wealthsimple offers a wealth of educational resources. From insightful articles and detailed webinars to one-on-one advice tailored to your needs, they ensure you're equipped with the tools to make informed decisions. It's like having a personal financial coach who's always ready to help you level up. With these features, Wealthsimple transforms from a mere investment platform into a comprehensive financial partner, making it easier than ever to manage your money and reach your goals. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're always in the loop. Let's grow, invest, and thrive together. See you in the next one.